how we can make schema new user in SQL Server and Oracle. If you do not remember your system password, I will tell you how we can solve this problem and how we can make new user using command line. First of all, open your CMD and type SQL plus, then type sys as sysdba, then type enter 2 times. Okay. Now your SQL is connected to your system account. Then type create user network identified by network. Create user network. Network is your account name and identify by network. Identify by network is also your password. Identify by network. So I think that is a great problem. Create user network identify by net. Net is your password and network is your account. Then press enter. User created. Now grant DBA to network. Grant access leave. Now I can check our user. Again type SQL plus and network. Type net. That is okay. If you want to delete your user, again SQL plus sys / as sysdba, and now drop user network. Our user dropped. Now our user is deleted. Thanks a lot. Okay, Allah Hafiz.
On my laziness.